Let's get it. My man is talking about gang talk, man. He letting us know which one is the worst gang he done ever joined. Yeah, he done been a part of multiple gangs. Shout out to him for even coming up with this, man. Never would have thought nothing like this.
Well, I'm finna tell y'all something strange about the worst gang I've been involved in. Listen, a lot of people don't understand this when I say it, but I'm gonna say it anyhow. I've been a consolidated member in three premier gangs. And I know some of y'all, damn, he a flip-flop. No, I ain't never flipped. Let me make sure we explain what I consider a gang. So these three gangs are, number one, Blackstone, ABBSN, or as the feds like to call us, L. Rookins. You know what I'm saying? The second gang I was in, the U.S. Army. And then the third gang, Freemason. So all three of these are gangs to me. I'm sorry, everybody want to call them something different. I call these motherfuckers gangs. The police are gang too. But listen what I'm saying though.
Ain't that the truth?
So look, the worst of all these is the
biggest
Freemason.
gang.
Like, it's the best worst. No, it don't make sense to you. It's the best worst. The worst because you get a worse initiation becoming a Freemason than you do becoming an actual gang member. Like, I'm trying to told you. Like, I remember, ooh-wee.
Can you talk about this? Aren't like secret societies like not supposed to be spoken of? But speak on it, brother. Speak on it.
And
I want to hear this.
You gotta memorize, and you have to know it, or you finna feel pain. I'm trying to tell you, G, it's so bad it'll make you not like people that's supposed to be your brothers. Listen to me, we was coming through, there was one brother who, motherfucker, this nigga never could memorize shit. He couldn't memorize his Bible verses, the working tools, nothing. He couldn't remember the names of shit. So now we being taught this shit. We got our senior dinking and shit, and we in here and we going through it. Next thing you know, he fuck up on a Bible verse again. Everybody in due form. If you don't know what due form is, Google that shit, because I can't explain all that. But listen, we in pain, G. My knees hurt. I'm holding the big ass rocks in my hand and type shit. And then some bitch just can't remember shit. And like, you even try to be cool, like, hey, yo, big bro, I know it. No, brothers. See, y'all don't understand, brothers. See, you might know it, but let me ask you a question. Why your brother don't know it? Huh? Talk to me, brother. Why do you know something that your brother don't know? Have you not been helping your brother? You ain't been aiding him? What's going on, brother? What is the length of your cable toe, brother? You get what I'm saying? They be on your ass.
That's crazy.
But listen, this story kind of crazy. So listen, we in Afghanistan, and one of my Mason brothers just stopped coming to work. Like, he's a civilian, I'm a soldier, we in a war zone, he a private contractor, meaning he don't gotta follow the rules that I gotta follow, but he do gotta obey the laws of the land. But this nigga just ain't coming to work. Swear to God, he making like $20,000 a month to do his job.
Yeah.
I'm coming. Like, for like a few, like 4-5 days, nobody seen him. The brothers couldn't get in touch with him because I ain't have his cell phone number. You know what I'm saying? We wondered what's going on. So, bro, over the course of 2 days, we force an operation. I'm talking about, it's like soldiers from different units. We come together. We get orders. We get some signed by the colonel that we take to our unit that says we a part of this detail for a couple days type shit. Boom. We load up. We got vehicles. We go look for dude. We go to his crib. We thought it was a crib because that's the address he had. We get there. It's like a mansion. It's like a compound in a war zone. We in Afghanistan and shit. And he living on like a Scarface ass compound. And he got, I swear to God, he got Afghani guards walking around with AKs and shit, just walking around, AKs and
what?
Like, it just confused the shit out of me. We get there at his crib, this motherfucker on the balcony sipping mimosas. Who the fuck in Afghanistan sip mimosas? This is crazy, G. It pissed me off. What pissed me off the most is I thought about how many felonies we just did to come to save this nigga. And he don't need saving. He talking about, man, G, I ain't gonna lie. I got it with some females the other day in Kabul. Nigga, you hanging out in Kabul? Doing a war? He like, nigga, I ain't a soldier. They don't care about me being here.
Oh, blame him.
You
Hey.
went to a club? I didn't even know they had clubs in Afghanistan. What the fuck? So now we all out there. And because we had that motion and we linked with him and he linked with somebody, next thing you know, the Masons had all the alcohol on. We had all the alcohol on base. I'm talking about we was flipping that shit to everybody. I'm talking about $150 fifths of Hennessy. Swear to God, man, the moles never would have came up with that one. We never would have been able to put that together. I'm talking about, look, that's real gang banging right there. when that shit is motherfucking DOD approved. Trying to told you, follow me for more. Well, I'm finna tell y'all something strange.
Man, listen, y'all. When it comes to this secret society, Mason, Skull and Bones, all this other crazy stuff, Illuminati, all of that, man. I used to want to be a part of the Masons or be in the Masons or however you the term is, whatever you say it. Because I've always heard that they stick together and that you could get a lot of stuff done because it's like a brotherhood. And it's a secret brotherhood at that, because now you just wear you do certain set handshakes and certain symbols and certain things that you just know when you meet a person. It's just like, oh shit, they're a Mason or they're a descendant of a Mason or something like that. But these gangs, man, I always tell people, man, these gangs, like when it comes to military is definitely one of the biggest gangs in the world, if not the biggest gang in the world. The government is the biggest gang in the world. Police is the biggest gang in the world, because there's police everywhere. There's law enforcement everywhere. There's soldiers everywhere. You know what I mean? There's always going to be some sort of authority to handle some shit. Whether it's a dude with a spear or a dude with a gun, there's going to be somebody that's ready to regulate. And it's crazy how he talked about, getting punished for your fellow man not knowing his knowledge. Like, they don't play about that stuff like that, man. I think that's a great quality, and also just because it's torture, you know what I'm saying? But it's a great quality to have, because it's like we all know the same thing, so that means we all held by the same standards, and we all accountable for certain things, because we know our knowledge, and we know it through and through, to the point where this is how we should be living and moving and rocking. But as humans, we get led astray, and we always backslide a lot. I mean, not a lot. We backslide at some point. Everybody, even if it's not full backslide, it's a little. You know what I mean? It might not be might be the whole Michael Jackson backslide, but you're gonna do a little sliding. You know? But shout out to him for letting us know all of that, man. I'm gonna try to see if I can look up any more his content, if he talk about more about the Masons, because I'm always curious about people that join in. I guess he could tell stories like that, like, just small stuff. I'm sure you can't tell like secret stuff and like the certain knowledge and stuff like that, because I didn't even know they go by the Bible. So I don't know if it's a certain Mason Bible. And he did say a term. I forgot that term. I might have to go look that up myself. Y'all look that up and let me know what it is in the comments if I don't already do it myself, because I probably had to go back and look. I'm doing a million videos a day, y'all. So anyway, hit the tick and the blicker. It's been going the whole time that the video been going. Y'all can see everything. Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all do that, because if not, you already know. You gon' die.